Hi everyone, my name is Nu and I'm your activities director, and here we are, Woodward Park, to where we're gonna have our OCDay, which is Organization Collaboration Day, on October 13, 2012.
Your move! It's time!
Hello again everybody. As you can see from earlier, we are here at Woodward Park and we are still location scouting for the perfect location for all of you, and we are nearing the Japanese garden right here. If you take a look to my right, there are numerous people here taking beautiful pictures for their events. We're hoping we can get a location as nice as this for all you guys, so we're going to take a look some more. Okay, see you in a bit. You guys, this is day 2, and I think we're lost. I think we're lost. Oh my gosh, where are all our bags and the camera? Oh no, come on, let's go inside. I think it's this way. Hello everyone, as you can see, our search for the location for our OCDay on October 13th has come to an end. We have found the place. Here you go.
I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was. To catch them is my real test, to train them is my cause. I will travel across the land, searching far and wide.
Okay, so as you may see, there's a lot of benches, many benches, a lot of grass, a lot of space. That's what I think. But I mean, this place is good. It's gated, and you feel safer, and also it's very easy to be found. I mean, the park is big, but you know, this is the only gated picnic area. It's a gated area, so it'll be easy to find us. On top of that, so it will help us be secure that you will not wander off and get lost. So that's one bonus that we like. And then we're also right next to the Japanese garden, which only takes you a few minutes walk. On top of that, we have the bathroom all to ourselves within the gate over there. Now, shall we go take a look at the bathroom, see if it's clean? Let's go. Let's go. So you guys may be wondering if there's any restrooms nearby. Yes, there is. So, go So let me start over again. So you guys may be wondering if there's any restrooms around here. Yes, there is. To my right is the men's restroom, and to my left is the women's restroom. There's only one. Actually, I think inside each room there's 3 stalls. For especially for the women. I haven't gone to the men's yet, but I don't know if I want to go. Should I go? Should I go? Okay, I'll go. Just a moment, hold on. Let me check if anyone's in there. Okay, so I know it's a little bit embarrassing, but yes, I did go in there. And I found out that there are 2 urine bowls and I think 1 stall. I think that's what you call it. I'm not sure because I don't use it. Okay. Oh my gosh, why is she taking so long? It's been hours. Ha! I'm done, Nui. Nasa to, di ka mo siya konti. Kutsa mo to niya lang, ha? Ha?